Welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how you can extract text from your image into simple ways or converting JPEG to Word document. So let's begin. First of all, you need to have Microsoft apps, and the Microsoft app that you're going to use is called Office. So if you have it doesn't have, you need to download it from the Play Store, and that is simple. So if you really have it, you need to click on Microsoft Office, open the app, and then after opening the app, we are going to click where is written action. Here where is the button that is written action, then scroll down to where written convert text in images, image to text. Click on that image to text. After that is going to open the camera icon. Then you need to select your image. This is my image, and then you need to click on continue. It will extract the text. After that, you can copy. So this is the text that is being extracted from that image, and you can paste to your desired location. So that is the first method, how to extract text from the image. The second one, you need to have Google Photo. You need to open your Google and then click where it is written photos. After that, as I said, you need to have and ensure that your image is in the gallery that you want to convert. So this is my image that I want to convert. Click on that image, then click where is written lens. After clicking where is written lens, the next thing that we are going to do is that you are going to click on the button that is written text. After clicking on text, click select all, then copy text. After it has been copied, you can paste to your desired location where you want. So this is how you can convert text, extract text from an image, or converting JPEG to Word document. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.